A rudder would be useless in rough water, so sweep oarsmen keep the craft on their course. But if the waves take control, this can happen. But in spite of swampings, collisions, and near disaster, some boats manage to break through, hurtling towards the beach to be first home. It's more than a race. It's a trial of strength, a test, a preparation for another day when the prize is that of saving life. So they head for the beach together, fighting it out in a photo finish. Surfing's a national sport as the gods of water, waves and sunshine conspire to give their worshippers thrills, thrills, and still more thrills.
Him by. Hoping that he's bent for more than arguments and failed attempts to fly. We were meant to live for so much more, but we lost ourselves somewhere. We live inside, somewhere. And whether mice and men have second tries. Maybe we've been living with our eyes half open. Maybe we're bent